Have you ever experienced cramping in your hamstrings or the muscles on the backs of your thighs when doing the bridging exercise? If you're like me and you work in the healthcare industry, you've probably seen it countless times in your patients or clients, and most likely experienced that with yourself as well. My name is Dr. Kirsten Roberts, and I want to show you a modification today to hopefully eliminate the rampant hamstring cramping with the shoulder bridge. It involves one very simple tool, and that is a resistance band. The resistance band I'm using is from APPI, and it's a pretty strong tension. So as long as you have a band or a resistance band of any sort, just make sure it's quite strong, and you'll be able to do this variation. So you're going to start out by lying down on your back and have your band nice and close. I like to pull my knees into my chest and then place the band around my ankles. Now you want to pull your feet as close as you can to your sit bones, but if you can't get them as close as I am, it's still just as effective to have them slightly further away. And then we go onto our articulated bridge from here, holding really tight on the band so that it's not able to move to give very much. We flatten our low back into the mat, tuck our tail, engage our glutes by drawing our sits bones in towards one another, and then peel up one segment at a time to get to the top of our bridge. Taking a breath in at the top, we breathe out and roll back down. And just that simple adjustment can make a huge difference in getting some activity into the glutes and taking some of the cramping away from the hamstrings. If you're progressing to a higher level, you keep the band around the 1 foot. So if you're doing either a single leg bridge, or at APPI, it's called our shoulder bridge level 2, when we come up into our bridge position, holding onto the band, you can reach the other leg away at a diagonal and come down, roll down out of your bridge. And you'll find that all of a sudden your glutes are able to be much more engaged, and you will most likely find that you will have a lot more stability at the top of that bridge. I hope you enjoyed that tip, and we look forward to seeing you on one of our other videos.